Oh, I'm videotaping. I was going to take a picture and say, I miss my Molly. I miss you guys. One of these is even a peanut butter dog thing, treat. Oh, I can't show you out here very well. It's too bright. Oh, I have the settings wrong. Darn. The room. One room. Kitchen. Nice big patio out there. Oh, stuffed. We just had a big huge brunch. Hi honey. Hi Molly. There's a room for you to run around and play, and it's all lonely. Bummer, bummer. Big room. Couches, and I don't know what that door opens to. There's our entryway. Guest bathroom. Oh, we ate a lot. All my junk. Bedroom. All my junk. Problem here. Got all the cords, extension cords. Brought the computer. There's a chair, I don't know who sits there. I brought everything but the computer cord, so I know I don't even have that. And then the closet, there's the other bathroom. Here's the bathroom. The shower. Enough for a party. Stuff coming down on your head. Molly, there's our tub where you need the bath. Probably won't even get in the tub. I'm just going to be sad and lonely. Mom's got her own room, a couple doors down. And I've got this big one all by myself. Guys, I wish you were here. Get in the car and come and surprise me. I wish. Okay. Talk to you later. I'm not good at these things, and I hate the sound of my voice, so I'm sure I know you do. I miss you guys. Bye.